welcome back to Weeby Kids. In today's session we're going to be looking at how to make some warm fuzzies that links in with Danny's storytelling. We're ranging from something a little bit larger, medium size, and the small. So I really hope you've enjoyed making your warm fuzzies today. I'd love to see what colours you chose, what materials you used, and remember, even if you don't have some wool, you can always repurpose old knitted jumpers. They can be unravelled and used as well. And if you'd like to learn how to make them out of the more natural material like grass, stay tuned for another episode. And also be sure to check out Danny's story over in the storytelling resources. Take care for now. Bye from Weeby Kids.